In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar in Outlook. We'll start right in your web browser. Go to outlook.live.com and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, switch from Mail to Calendar by selecting the calendar icon. This takes you into the calendar view where you can create and manage all your schedules. At the top or left side of the calendar view, look for the option that says Add Calendar and select it. A panel or page will open with different ways to bring in calendars. Choose Create Blank Calendar. This is the simplest way to start fresh with a calendar you'll share. Give your new calendar a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows its purpose right away. For example, you might use something like Team Deadlines, Class Schedule, or Family Plans. A good name makes it easier to find later and avoids confusion if you end up with several calendars. Next, pick a color. Colors help you quickly spot events from this calendar when it's shown alongside others. Choose something that stands out from your existing calendar colors. If you use color coding for different types of work or teams, keep that pattern in mind so everything feels consistent. You'll also see an option to select a charm, which is simply an icon that visually represents the calendar. This is optional, but choosing a relevant icon can make the calendar easier to recognize at a glance, especially if you juggle multiple shared calendars. When you're happy with the name, color, and charm, select Save. Your new calendar is now created and should appear in your list of calendars. Now let's share it. In the calendar view, look for the Share option and open it. If you're prompted to choose a calendar, make sure you select the new one you just created. This ensures you're sharing the right calendar and not your personal one. In the sharing field, enter the email addresses of the people you want to include. Double-check spelling to avoid sending it to the wrong person. Depending on your Outlook version, you may see options to control what others can do, such as viewing only or making changes. Choose what fits your needs, then select Share to send the invitations. Recipients will get a notification with a link to add the calendar to their Outlook. If anything looks off later, like events not appearing, confirm they accepted the invite and that the correct calendar is selected in their view. You can manage your update sharing from the same share area anytime. And that's it. Your shared Outlook calendar is ready to go.